All right, so getting antifreeze into the hot water tank. So we have that white hose that we used to drain it. We're just gonna turn this up so it back feeds down in. And we got our yellow funnel in here. I'm just gonna back feed it back into the hot water tank. So probably a solid ½ gallon we're gonna want in there. So just raising it, getting it in there. All right. So got about a ½ gallon there. Can just leave that in the open position. We'll take this off. Oh. Everything gets nice, clean and mop with antifreeze at this stage. So don't worry too much. It's not toxic. Oh, fucking shit. All right. So next order of business is winterizing the toilet. All right. Be right back with you on that.